Hello and welcome to today's daily vlog. It's actually quite early today. It's now coming up to 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to take Molly for a walk early today, so I can get it over and done with. Go for a bit of a long one as well. So yeah, let's go do that. Oh man. Still had a bit of a rough night last night, but I think I'm going to try and force myself to get over it quickly and go for this walk. So yeah, let's go for the walk. So we're now in the car. Molly is in the back here, and yeah, we're about to go on the walk now. Might take the camera with me. I don't know if I actually manage to film anything. There's quite a few people who walk up and down here, so if I manage to film anything, then I will. If not, then I won't. We'll see. But I'll take the camera with me just in case. If I don't get a chance to film anything, then I'll vlog a bit more when we get in the car, when we get back to the car. So yeah, see you in a bit. Just go back to the car. My battery ran out when we was walking, so I had to cut off short. But I've got a spare battery here at the minute. I'm gonna have to be quick. These cars here, and I'm near my fence, but he's parked a bit close. Could have given me a bit of space for getting out. But anyway, I'm gonna head home now. I'm gonna try and do this before the battery runs out. But yeah, I'm gonna head home now. And anyway, but yeah, you could have given me a bit of space before knowing that I'm here and about to leave. But anyway, I'll see you back at the house. We're home. It was a good walk actually. Wish I was able to film a bit more when I was out, but the bit that I did film, the battery cut out at the end, so Molly, bloody hell, she's barking all morning today. Shush. Yeah, some battery cut out, so I've just put a new battery in. I'm going to go online for a bit now, and bits like that. So yeah, might wrap a few presents as well, because it's nearly Christmas. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to go online for a bit, and then I might get some presents wrapped as well, but we'll see. I'm quite tired now actually after that walk, so I might have a little nap as well, but we'll see. Anyway, so just had dinner. We had chicken with vegetables with gravy, and yeah, it was alright. Molly is currently down here. I think she's just gonna got a chew. Molly! Yo! So, yeah, I think I'm going on YouTube. Now I was watching some old Grange Hill videos. Somebody's put them on YouTube. So I watched a couple of episodes. I think it was like episode 3 to about episode 7 of series 7 or something. But yeah, it was quite good to watch back some old episodes of Grange Hill. But I'm now going to go and watch videos from like some people that I like subscribe to. So like my video from that I uploaded yesterday, just make sure that's all uploaded, and then some of the other like people that I subscribe to, see what videos are uploaded. It's coming up to 9:30 now. It's 9:21. Molly is down here tonight. She's behaving herself for once. And yeah, tonight's EastEnders was quite good actually. It's a shame that it's still only 20 minutes with everything that's going on, but hopefully come Christmas episode it'll be a good one. So yeah, it ended with Ian's in hospital at the minute, and ending with him sort of like having a fit, and he's just got married to Sharon, and his family just like walked in and found out, and they didn't really they weren't really that happy about the situation. And yeah, it's quite good show, EastEnders. It's going to get better because some old characters are coming back, so yeah, that'd be good to watch soon and over Christmas what happens and everything. But yeah, it's now 9:23, so I'm going to end today's video here. So don't forget, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell so you always get notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you tomorrow for the last day of the week. So don't forget, if you dream it, believe it, achieve it. Good night.